in Albania. Look what I just brought. We are back. We are finally back. I am in Albania. I've just hired a car, drove for an hour, nearly run over some goats, nearly run over some people, drove up roads like this for probably the last 10 miles, at least.
Ooh, you're hard.
But the reason for that is to bring me to this place called Bol Villa. Probably pronounced it completely wrong, but this place is stunning. I'm going to show you some drone shots in a second because I brought my drone with me as well. But just doing a day trip today. We are here for 10 hours. I've came with my friend who's down there. She's taking loads of pictures and stuff like that. But yeah, 10 hours in Albania, here at Bol Villa. Going to spend an hour here, have some lunch, brought a packed lunch, really cheap trip as well. I'm going to do a separate video around what this all cost and how we did it all, etc., because it's literally just an extreme day trip. So yeah, flying back tonight, and then after this we're off to Vlor, I think it's called, or how it's pronounced, where we're going to go to the beach. So we're going to take this in, cut to some drone shots, and honestly this place is beautiful. But if you're going to do this, make sure you get a car, like a compact SUV should be the smallest one you get. Personally, I'd get a chauffeur with a truck to be able to come and bring you up here, because it was fucking sketchy. It was so sketchy, but I'll put some of them clips in for you to see. But absolutely worth it. So beautiful. At the top here they've got a restaurant as well, which is really cool. Again, brought my own lunch, so not going to be going in there. But yeah, perfect place to have something to eat. It's not too cold either. It's a little bit windy at the top of the mountain, but it's currently, I think it's like, hey Siri, what's the temperature? Let's find out.
You'll need to turn on location service.
Okay, ain't got location services on. About 13, 14 degrees, I think. So it's really nice. Much better compared to home anyway. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Cut to the drone. Okay, so just about to leave this beautiful place. Hope you enjoyed them drone shots. It's absolutely massive. Couldn't see this side of it over there. What a place. What a place. The trusty car that we've got, the Dacia. Yeah, it's a shithole inside though. So this is what I'm talking about. It's not even a fucking road. It's just oh my god, it's a gravel trap. And there's 10-15 miles of this. Then when you do get a road, you get views like this. They're fucking beautiful, that is. Fucking beautiful, mate.
This is the issue when you're on a mountain on a single road.
Fuck's sake.
I'm going to go backwards to find. Oh, it's not great.
So when we was driving up earlier, seeing this, like this is literally the roads to get to the mountaintop. There's no side skirts, there's no nothing. It's a bit dangerous. There's the whip there. But it's like this for like 10 miles. Anyway, seeing this girl, and she just had this tiny little stall. We're literally in the middle of the mountains in the valleys. And she's selling stuff. She's got a whole stall set up, and she's still sitting there on our way back. It's only been like 3 hours, to be honest, or 2 hours. But go buy something off her, make her day. Something that maybe she can't forget. I don't know if you see it, it's just a stall there. And just give her some money, because it must be very demoralising seeing all these cars drive past and not buying a single thing from you. So this must be where she lives. Growing her own fruits by the looks of it. Little chickens. Hiya. Look at this little kid. This is nice. Do you stay here all day?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In my whole day, because I'm school.
Yeah. Oh my god.
No, just be quiet.
Is this where you live here as well? Is this your
Yeah.
home? That's nice. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Just the street, it's bad.
Yeah, it takes ages.
It's not.
It's beautiful.
It's not.
Yeah, it takes ages. to get across. So what do you do? Sell? Do you make all this stuff yourself and then you sell it?
I'm making the basket and I
Wow. That's very cute.
Thank you.
I'm in Albania. Look what I just brought. Oh. Do you keep these and then raise them and then
I'm sorry?
do you eat these eventually?
I'm
Or is it
sorry.
a pet?
I'm sorry, I can't understand.
It's
you
okay,
very
it's
well.
okay. Look how cute it is. Is that yours or lek?
What do you have?
I have lek.
Can I buy some here for you as well? Because I want to buy a few bits for her.
Yeah.
I'm going to
Get one of each. How much are these in lek?
Next one has 200 left.
200 lek.
Yeah.
Just get a little breaks there.
And I'll feed you from Sorry. It's okay, you don't apologise.
Wow.
Oh, take it.
There you
You
go.
sure?
No, we
No,
take it.
take it. Take
You
it.
just
Take
give.
it.
Leave it on the
Please,
table.
it's just
Leave it on the
me.
table. There you go.
Please take another. Please.
No, you keep it. You keep it. Buy more. Buy more, okay?
Please, 1 minute.
No.
That's our for you.
No.
Please.
No. You keep it, you need it.
It's okay.
Take it.
okay.
Oh, she just.
Take it.
She
Take it.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, 3, no.
Are from the for your people.
Oh,
It's
Wow.
okay.
thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay.
No worries. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. She was so cute. Bless her. Just gave an extra 3 bracelets just to be kind. It's probably her first seller today. Probably the biggest she's ever had, to be honest with you. It's quite expensive though. It's quite expensive. I might just search it up and take them back if I'm not happy with the quality. Yeah, very cute. Right, change of plan. Not going to Vlor, going to Dores, which I think is the other side of the mountains over there. Only because of the time. We haven't got enough time. So it's got 36 minutes left on this drive to get to the beach there. And then we'll just have a wander around and see what there is to do. Got my roll. Brought a packed lunch with me, so I didn't have to pay anything. Didn't know where to fucking park. There's no like parking thing, so just parked at the beach. At the beach. Just fucking parked here. I literally don't know where else I could possibly go. Everyone's blocking everyone in as well, so hopefully I can get back for the flight, because otherwise I'm absolutely screwed. First impressions of the beach. Don't look the best, does it? But this isn't the place we originally wanted to go. Looks pretty over there, maybe. Maybe that's the way to go down there. Let's go have a stroll and find out. I need to buy a fridge magnet as well and a postcard, so let's go look for some of them and some snacks for another video. Sat down, beer time. It's called Golden Pills. I'll give it a try. Before I tell you about our dilemma. So I just went to check in for the flight home and it said restricted. So I was like, oh, what does that mean? And then went into it a bit more, and you have to download the boarding pass and print it off to be able to get home. And obviously we left the check-in until as late as we can, so you don't pay for a seat. So now we've got to find somewhere on them back streets around there to try and get someone to print off 2 boarding passes for us, because if not, probably spending the night here. There's worse places, but there's also better. And I've got work in literally 17 hours. I did Google, there's some like printing places. There's like a phone repair shop and a printing, and there's an actual printing shop, so should be good, but I'll keep you updated. Crisis is over. So Nat, the girl that I'm with, noticed that there was a hotel. So if you ever come to Albania and you're staying in Dores, stay in this place, because a woman on reception was amazing. She was so nice. And we've got our border passes printed off, didn't have to pay for anything, didn't charge us. So we've got another 2 hours, gonna go find some tourist shops and then start making our way home. Was gonna go find a souvenir shop, however, was just having a beer, watching the sunset when I got the hotel pass done, boarding pass. Oh, I just missed it. Oh, it's gone now. It did look stunning. You'd have to take my word for it. Beach is huge, by the way. This area will blow up in years to come. Nice sand. Pedalo's older than me. Yeah, this place, I can see it blowing up massively. Whether these palm trees are imported, I'm guessing they were. It's nice. It's nice. It's not the place where we wanted to go, but it is really nice. And I've had such a good time here today. Everyone's been so nice, you know. That's one thing to call out about the Albanian people that I spoke to, and spoke to quite a lot. They've been so nice. And yeah, that sunset was a nearly perfect way to end it. But the time is currently 20 to 5. So flight's at 10, 5 hours, hour drive to the airport. Get there an hour and a half before, 2 hours before. So we've got about an hour and a half here. Fridge magnet is what's needed. I need a fridge magnet, need a postcard, because I get a postcard. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I write on the postcard to tell the kids about the day so they can read it back one day. And then see whatever crap I can get. Yeah, all in all, so far, it's been a really good day. And the flight was only £29 return for just a day trip. What else would you be doing on a Sunday evening, eh? Probably be sitting at home right now cooking a fake shitty Nando's, waiting for Sidemen Sunday. But instead I'm on the beach in Albania, in my shorts. Got them pins out, watching some kind of sunset with a meat sub roll in my pocket. What a mess. Back at the airport now. Drive back was horrible. It took 50 minutes, but it was mainly back roads and then just full of traffic. Albania is done for the day, not the south of the island, but only the north. Thoughts, people drive like mental. If you're going to drive here, you need to be good. You need to be on it like 24/7, because they're crazy. They just cut in, they don't give a shit. Like, they really don't give a shit. The people that we spoke to, amazing, like so nice, like so nice and polite. Got my fridge magnets, which is one of the main things. Got a postcard, which I was talking about earlier. So yeah, all in all, good day, good experiences. Great to go to the top of that mountain and go see that lake. That was awesome. Didn't get no food really because we brought our own lunch, so that was good. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the videos, and if you've got any comments about it, then drop them down below. But the other Albania video is coming up. It's a snack video, so I went and got some snacks and tried some local snacks, and also one about this holiday cost. So this day trip, how much does the extreme day trip cost? Can you do it for less than £100? I'll literally go for everything from start to finish. So that's it. I'll see you on the next one.